Hello guys and welcome back to Ask MBA YouTube channel where I'm posting multiple videos, of course live sessions as well for your comment sections to help you guys with your preparation for CAT exam. Alright, not only CAT exam but also for SNAP and NMAT. Now let's try to understand the question. What is the remainder when 3 power 90 plus 5 power 90 is divided by 34? Options are also given. Now before solving this question, you need to understand whenever you see these kind of questions, like this is something to do with your indices, certs and indices. Whenever you see these kind of questions, you must recall that there are few properties that will be used in this kind of question. Now, what are those properties? The first is a power n plus b power n is a multiple of a plus b. All right, what I'm saying, wherever you see a power n and b power n is a multiple of a plus b, or I can say a plus b is a divisor or a factor of this number. All right, both the things are vice versa. So I can say whenever you see this kind of question, whenever you see this kind of property where I have given that a power n plus b power n, I can say this is a multiple of a plus b, but n must be odd number. N must be odd one. Right? There are two conditions that we need to satisfy here. First one is we need to see this kind of form. We have this form, but n must be odd. We can clearly see n is not your odd number, 90 is even number. So we need to first change that n into your odd number. We need to change 90 in terms of odd number. That is our first target. Second, this a plus b must be equal to 34 in this question. We can see 3 plus 5 is not equal to 34. So we have two targets to achieve here to solve this question. First, we need to change this 90 in terms of odd number, and again we need to change this values of a and b, where you can see you can match this value to this form. You can clearly get the value of a and b. So the second target is we need also change the values of a plus b, where you will get addition of this both a and b as 34. Now how we can change it? Yes, we can change it using your formulas, or we can say properties from certs and indices. The first property is a power n plus b power n can be written as, we can directly take the question, 3 power 90 plus 5 power 90, it can be written as 3 square, or I can say 3 into 2 power 45 plus 5 power 2 into 45. Will it be wrong if I write this form in this form as well, right? There is nothing wrong, I can say. Now, what's happening here? This is your 3 square power 45 plus 5 square 45. I can directly manage these indices. Why? Because we have property as a power m to the power a power n is equal to a power mn. This simply goes in the product form of the indices, right? This is the basic rule that is given in the chapter of algebra, or I can say number system, where you will find the basic rules on certs and indices. All right, this is much more important to understand these kind of questions. All right, further I can change this one as, further is 9 power 45 plus 25 power 45. All right, what I've done, I've changed your 3 power 90 plus 5 power 90 to 9 power 45 plus 25 power 45. All right, now we need to match this question with your property. A power n, that is 9 power 45, and b power n, that is 25 power 45, where n is your odd number. Yes, we have achieved that second one. And the last one is we need to understand the addition of a plus b must be equal to 34. Of course, we can see 9 plus 25 is 34. If we have achieved or understood these two properties, now we can clearly see that this number is divisible by, or I can say this is a number which is a multiple of 9 plus 25, which is equal to 34. All right, in the simpler way, or in the simpler language, I can say this number is properly divisible by 34, where you will get remainder as your 0. Right, I hope you understood the basic properties that I've used in this question. You need to recall your all the properties from certs and indices, which is directly used in this kind of questions. All right, I'll be coming live, and of course I'm posting videos for these kind of questions or similar kind of or multiple kind of questions from your comment section.